Hey, what's up everybody? You already know what it is. HuckitTV's back with another episode. Glad you guys could be here, and today we're doing a GoPro review. So we're going on a group ride to Little Egypt off-road, and that's where we're going to test out the GoPro Hero 11 for the first time. And I couldn't be more excited, guys. I haven't rode in forever, and I've really been itching to ride, really just been itching to hop on the YZ and just go. I got all these new cameras and stuff, you know, thanks to my mom helping me out with my channel. It's nice to have a mom that supports your dream, you know. I mean, I work hard for all my stuff, and I always have for a long time. You know, I always operated this channel with like bottom of the line equipment, you know, just hoping one day I could work towards, you know, getting some better stuff. And day's come. So we're gonna see what I can do with it. How's it going, everybody? So, as you guys can tell, we got another new camera. And we upgraded to a brand new GoPro Hero 11. There we go, sorry, door wouldn't open. We got the creator package here, the creator edition. And we're out in the garage in the complete dark, testing out the light. I'm beyond ready to ride this thing at Little Egypt off-road this weekend, this Sunday. We're gonna head on out there, do some off-roading, hopefully hit the track if it's not frozen completely. And, you know, finally get to burn some of this C12, you know? God, it's freaking cold, everybody. I'm freezing, I'm shivering. I wanted to try and make this video, and it's just gonna have to be a short one because it is so freaking cold. Oh my good golly. I'm glad we got a new GoPro. Shout out to my mom for the early birthday present. Your boy's gonna be 26 soon. Can you guys believe that? This can actually shoot up to 5K, but I have it on 4K and 120 frames per second because I really wanted to try a higher frame rate and you know, see what that looks like. Today's video is brought to you by Newbolt. Thank you, Brandon. Newbolt really came through for me and hooked me up with, you know, some race gas. I'm running 93 or 91 in the old girl, and she really doesn't like it. But you know, race gas is expensive. It's like $100 for 5 gallons, unless we drive all the way over to Pinckneyville and get some fuel over there. But I did that, and I didn't call first, and they were out of race fuel, I guess, or something. They had a bag over the pump. Thank God, Newbolt came through, hooked me up with some VP C12. You guys rock. I appreciate it. This video is for you guys. Oh yeah, how's it going, everybody? It's clocked out of work on Thursday. I think we're gonna start doing more of an actual vlog with this channel, and actually start, like, you know, talking to you guys and letting you guys know what's going on and whatnot. I'll have to get a GoPro set up where I don't have to hold it in my car, but I do have the Volta handle, so I can just grab the mofo like so. Hey, good mic, so y'all can hear me. My car needs washed really bad though. So I just got this GoPro Hero 11 and the black edition, and it's the creator, you know, the creator package. And I'm really curious on like GoPro settings for this. And I've seen MX Guru, you know, he posted a video, you know, showing the Hyperview. And I'm running Superview right now because Jeff Walker runs Superview. So I was like, oh, I'll do what Jeff Walker does. He's got a pretty sick, you know, camera setup. But you know, his is focused more on like him looking fast and like moto. I really want to get some of the scenery too and stuff. And I was looking at that Hyperview, and it really seemed to just like really take in the scenery really well. So we're gonna test Hyperview. We're gonna test Superview. And we'll even test wide or something. Probably won't test wide because, you know, who's going to use wide for the review of Hyperview or Superview? So today in this video we got you know, a little review for the BraapBox. You know, if you want to get your own BraapBox, head to thebraapbox.com. Obviously, that's a pretty easy thing to remember. So remember that later in the video when you see the BraapBox, and you can finally make the decision if you'd like to get one for yourself. I love getting my BraapBox every month, honestly. Like, even my wife gets so excited, like she gets so like hyped to see what comes in the box. And this week, well, this month, I got some chain lube, and it's like great because I literally lost my can of chain lube, so I got a new can of chain lube, and I was so hyped. And I got a new freaking 100% t-shirt, of which it was kind of ironic because I was at the track and I took the box with me because I always like to review the box in, you know, at the track. You know, it's a good environment. I like to set the mood, not do it like in this room or something. And, you know, we got to do these videos too to make these vlogs more professional. I can make it more personal, talk to you guys. We got the green screen in the back. I'm not sure if it's working. So it's either gonna work or there's gonna be a really ugly green screen behind me in this video, and we'll just have to, you know, make do until we, you know, get a better solution.
Close to harmony, when the world is sound asleep, something's gonna bring the change.
Stickers? Oh, this one's still squeaking? There!
Stay ripping, Big Pippin. Hey everybody, the BraapBox is here. Let's see what's in this puppy besides that I already copped. Got in here. Ooh. Silicone funnels. A new 100% shirt. Oh, hold up. Alright, back to it. Yeah, I got some chain wax. I literally needed some chain wax. Check it out.
A little to-go can.
Yeah, a little to-go can. And a lanyard. Hell yeah. I need a new lanyard too. Oh, yeah. We got Colt Nichols on the cover. That's what's up, boys. I love these boxes. We'll hit you guys up. We'll hit you guys up with some more info in a second. I gotta warm this bike up. Alright everybody, we're gonna try Superview now. Now where the f am I gonna go down? Let me know if you guys like Superview or Hyperview better. Right now we're struggling with some storage issues. You know, already be running out. I'm like, I'll delete footage and it won't say there's any more storage. I don't know what's going Dude, I can't believe I made it up that.
I know, that was close.
What the hell? Only the bike hit the big hill? First gear kicks it back. We're almost to the hills. I had no idea how deep that puddle is, but I was sure as hell gonna find out. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah, buddy.
Giving everything it had up that hill. Oh, bro. I just fucking better eat.
How bad do you think it would end if I jumped from there, landed on the hill, and just
That's the weird thing. You have to run up. I don't think you have to run up.
Overall thoughts on the Hero 11 were I was really impressed. Like the 4K, like Hyperview 60 frames per second was definitely my favorite. I ran some lower like frame rates and stuff towards the end because I was running into storage issues because I think I don't know if I had like a glitch in my SD card or something, but like whenever I was recording videos at work and stuff, I was recording like 12-minute long videos. Like I was recording long videos and stuff, and they weren't taking up hardly any storage with the 60 frames per second and the 4K. Whenever I actually went to ride, I don't know if it was because the camera was getting so much information that it just filled it up so fast. So maybe next time I need to try the 128 gig, I think it is. But the cool thing about the Hero 11 that came with the creator package that my mom paid for me for my birthday. Like I said, I'm gonna be 26 here soon. She was gonna surprise me with it, she said, and she's like, I just couldn't help but tell you. And she I'm just so thankful because, like, honestly, like, I worked really hard for all the cameras I had, and I've had them for years, and they just literally been, like, crapping out on me at the track, and, like, I'd get so bummed because I'd be recording, and my freaking GoPros would, like, mess up on, like, the best laps of the day or something, and it's just, like, it's nice to have new equipment that I don't have to focus so much on making the equipment work. Like, I had to literally, my old DSLR camera I was using, I had to literally troubleshoot it and like order a whole bunch of new stuff for it to get it to work. But now, like, I have the Canon M50 Mark II that I absolutely love, and I haven't really got to use much. I would like to get a new lens for it, but it's nice, it's reliable. And now this GoPro Hero 11, like, I love this thing because it's like dual purpose. Like, it's, if you throw the creator kit on it, it's perfect for vlogging. Like, I prefer to vlog with it over the Canon now. Like, I can just save the Canon because usually, like, when I go to the track, I use the Canon for vlogging and doing the bike stuff. But it's hard to set up the cameras back and forth. And now, whenever I get the, like, telephoto lens for this, I don't have to do that anymore if I don't want to. I got the Hero 11, and like I said, I was running into those storage issues. But if you do that, like, say you're at a motocross track and you're doing motos. So we're going to keep this moto related because I feel like there's not many actual moto vlogs or, like, dirt bike channels doing reviews of, like, GoPros. Like I said, I know the MX Guru did one, and, like, I could be wrong, but, like, I when I was typing in trying to look up this camera, I get so excited when stuff's coming in the mail. Like, I start looking up videos about it, trying to figure out how to use it, so I, like, know how to use it when it gets here. But I couldn't find many good dirt bike videos. Like, I liked the MX Gurus because it really showed good Hyperview. And I was really excited to make my own once I saw it because I really wanted to test the camera in, like, working conditions and really, like, I wanted to just go out and just blind run and see how easy it is for someone that just grabs this camera and goes out in the trails. Like, I have a lot of camera knowledge, so it's a little bit easier for me. Keep that in mind. But when it comes to learning a new camera, like, we're all, slow at first. But I enjoyed this camera so much because whenever I keep backtracking, I'm just gonna state one last thing. I love this camera. There's so many videos people saying, "Oh, I hate this camera. I hate this camera. It's a waste." I love this camera. I absolutely love it. And there's one part in one of these clips that it's gonna seem like the camera was glitching, and I thought it was too. And then I thought about it, and I kept taking my Dango design mount on and off to make sure the camera was recording because my two-stroke, you can't hear the beeping over the engine. So I put my Dango design mount on, and I didn't put it on quite well enough, so it was literally just dangling. And then, like, I crashed, and I'm surprised it stayed on, even though, yeah, it should have gone flying. It definitely should have, but it stayed on. But I'm gonna post that clip right here.
Oh, come on, Mauser.
So much ice.
I thought you were better than this.
So much ice. Woo, it's so cold. How much snow? Dude, there's so much snow inside my shirt right now. Ah! Oh, God.
You slid out, hot shot. That's funny.
It's gonna look really shitty, but just keep watching, and it's pretty funny. And I was shredding until I found a big sheet of ice. Okay, now back to what I was saying. What was the solution to all the storage issues? So what is nice about the creator package is it comes with I think a year's worth of the unlimited GoPro Cloud for the Quick app. So literally, I had my Thrill Seekers bar bag. Once again, you guys are awesome. They freaking have responded to a couple of my freaking TikTok videos, and it's so awesome whenever companies do that. I have 100,000 followers on TikTok. I'm no big deal, and even a little company with 500 followers, if they recognize my stuff, and I like when people interact with my videos. It's regardless of how many followers they have. Whenever I see TikTok and kids on TikTok that make videos featuring me and stuff, I'm that makes me feel so freaking good. I don't know why, but so the Creative Cloud, I'm gonna have to look up how much it is a month, because it came with the pack. So I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna put it right here, and we'll give you an exact price of how much it costs for a month or whatever it is. During our breaks and everything, while we were out in the woods or while we were getting drinks and food and whatnot, I would just get my phone out, and I had the I had the little hand grip for my freaking GoPro, and I say the name of what it is somewhere in the video, because it's the Volta. I think it is the Volta grip. I'm not 100%. Whenever I go to the settings and I freaking go to select the device, it says Volta, and it works for the thing. That's what it is. You can get it at the GoPro website, I'm pretty sure. I'll put a link down in my description. You can also find a link to find all kinds of HuckitTV merch down in the link. Click the link. There's all kinds of stuff down there. You can get 10% off on hydropower. You can get a discount on hydropower, 10%. Stuff's amazing. I love it. Hydropower has really helped me at the track, because you'll use this stuff and people expect it to just make your arm pump disappear. It's supposed to help with arm pump, and it does. Because I usually go out one moto, and halfway through the moto I'm pumped up. If you're a rider that's got a stockier build and more built for weightlifting and everything, and a lot of muscle, that you get pumped up a lot easier. I don't know the science behind it or whatever, but that's what I've been told and what I've experienced. Do you want to be in the video this bad? Okay. So my cat's gonna be in the video. She keeps coming in here. She's gonna be in the video. Otherwise, she'll make a bunch of noise. And until I put her in the video, I'm pretty sure she's been drinking out of the tub. She's all wet. Haven't you? Okay. I forget what I was talking about. Oh, good golly, good golly. Is the GoPro Hero 11 valid? I believe so. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in to HuckitTV. And before you leave, be sure to hit that button and subscribe. Maybe check out the next episode and see the full edit of which you saw in the beginning of the episode. We'll put that right here. And, thanks for tuning in. Hope you have a great day. You can hit the subscribe button. You can watch the next video. Or, you can keep watching. You can just keep watching. We can just hang here. We can just chill. Or you can just, let this video end. Don't do anything. And go watch somebody else's video that you like better. But if you're still here, hit that button.